Nursing notes, also referred to as the CARDEX, are essential for documenting the day-to-day nursing care provided to inpatients. These notes are crucial for ensuring that all team members have a clear and consistent understanding of the patient's current status, treatment, and progress. To record a nursing note, select the patient from the list of admissions. Click on the Actions button and select Nursing Notes as shown. On the CARDEX, capture the required details. Select the date and time of the CARDEX. Input the nurse name. Record the nursing notes. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click Save to ensure the notes are updated in the patient's record. To view Nursing Notes Report, click on the View Report button as shown. In the new report window, you can perform the following. You can share the report via email, save in different formats. Moreover, you can print directly from browser.